Hello guys, greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin, aka NetPreneur, and today in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to calculate your age using a free date of birth online calculator tool. Now, if you're just watching any of my contents for the first time or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right here and tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I publish something new or I update my existing contents. And if you do this, it's going to help you be notified whenever I give out free stuff to my subscribers, because yes, I usually give out a lot of free stuff to my subscribers. So to ensure you don't miss out, kindly show some love, hit the subscribe button and tap this bell notification icon right here. So if you've done this, let's proceed to the business section. Like I said, today I'll be showing you how to calculate your age using a free online date of birth calculator tool. And to do this, you're using a free online tools platform known as freetools.com. You just enter your browser and search for freetoolshub.com and you click on enter. And once the page loads up, right now we have to locate the date of birth and age calculator tool. Now, just so you know, Free Tools Hub is 100% free SEO and digital marketing tools platform that you can use for free without paying a dime. All right, guys. So once you've gotten there, we need to locate the age calculator tool and just come to the search bar right here and you enter age calculator. You click on this like you found the tool, you click on it and you scroll down. Let me walk you through how this age calculator works. So with this age calculator, you can calculate your age, like select your date of birth, and this left hand side is going to select your date of birth and it's going to show you how old you are. On this right panel is going to show you the day, the month, and the year, like today's date. So you can also add birth time, like the time that you were born, and it's going to calculate everything for you. So let's say your date of birth, you were born on the 10th of February, and you were born in, let's say, 1995, and the time, even 9 a.m. minute 48, and the birth time for in just this seconds, and you click on submit. So it's going to, if you scroll down here, it's going to show you your age. So if you're born on that particular date, you'll be 28 years old, 11 days. Your age in months will be 336 months, 1 week, 4 days. Your age in weeks will be 1,462 weeks, 4 days, 5 hours. Your age in days will be 10,238 days, 5 hours, 36 minutes. Your age in hours will be 245,717 hours, 36 minutes, 50 seconds, and your age in minutes, oh my God, this should be about 1 million, 1.4 million, and the age in seconds. So that's how amazing this age calculator tool can be. So you can also choose to remove the time and you submit, and it's still going to show you the same result. So guys, you can use this tool, this age calculator tool, to calculate your age in months, your age in weeks, your age in days, your age in hours, your age in minutes, your age in seconds. That's how amazing this tool works. All right, guys, we've come to the end of yet another video, but before we call it a day, I want to show you this amazing platform, lAge. So lAge is an online community for sports fans to come together, share friendly banter, discuss their passions, and also connect on a different level. So if you're a sports fan and you're looking for an enabling community to connect with other sports fans, lAge is the place for you. The platform has a lot of subfood. You have for soccer, has for basketball, it has for cricket, it has for track and field, it has for rugby, it has for hockey, combat sports, tennis, and lots more. It also has a chat rooms or live chat rooms where you can connect with sports fans from other parts of the world and discuss the latest and trending happenings in the world of sports. So if you're a sports fan and you're looking for an enabling platform to connect with sports fans from other parts of the world, then Live Gold is the place to be. So, guys, we've come to the end of it on the video. And remember, sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Don't forget to share this video or share this tool using the share buttons on the left hand side, because remember, sharing is caring and caring is sharing. I'll be calling it a day right here, and don't forget to keep your eyes close to the ground and check out my channel for my next video, because it promises to be super awesome. Alright guys, I'm signing out. Bye for now. See y'all later.